Call him, Liam.
Baby, 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 baby.
There you go. Now give it to him. Nice and slow. Uh-oh. Try again. No. Go, ah. Oh. What happened, Finn? Okay, that's the last one, Liam. He's got a full belly. Wait, he's gonna grab it. Okay, all done. What happened, Finn? He's all done. He has a full belly. Although he's begging you for more. Here, Liam. There's a napkin. Wipe your fingers. Quick, before he gets it. Let me see you dance. Uh-oh, he's gonna get that. He's gonna get that. No, he's gonna grab it. Finn? Hi, Finn. You like when your brother feeds you? Go slow. That's too much. Look how much is on that spoon. I think his belly's full. Ask him if he's full. Finn. What is it, an airplane? What happened, Gushki? What? Your brother has food for you. Liam, last one. See if he wants it. Say, look, baby. No, Liam, the potatoes are going to go everywhere. Here, you see? Here, Finn. Last one. Want some? Look at all that potatoes your brother put on there for you. No, no, no. No, 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 not that spoon's too big for him. Okay, okay.